Good evening from here in London. So just in the closing bell on Wall Street, we did see equities finish in minor negative territory for the day, following on from yesterday's dramatic sell-off. Just looking back earlier in the session, ahead of the opening bell, we did have some further poor US economic data from the likes of initial claims and continuing claims. So the job data continuing to disappoint out of the US. So this did see a bit of a sell-off there, around about 10 handles into those lows. So pretty disappointing. However, it did later pass some of those gains to retest its opening range over most of the major indices, finishing down around 0.2 to 0.3%. So in terms of other news flow, we also saw the Eurozone officials agree in principle to a 3-year package for Greece, and we also saw Moody's warn the US on its credit rating, and it would be put under review if it wasn't showing further progress in looking to resolve its debt ceiling limit issues. So this did give a bit of a boost to the euro, this news, as we saw the US dollar weaken. So that was the main news of the evening. So looking forward to tomorrow, we do have those non-farm payroll numbers. So following the poor, weaker US economic data this week in terms of the jobs numbers, we have seen around 40% of the analysts and major institutions revise their forecasts. So these revisions now show a mean forecast of around 130k for those who have revised their numbers since those ADP numbers earlier in the week. So a few institutions looking out for some weaker numbers there. So that's it for us in London. We hope you have a great evening, and we'll see you again tomorrow.